Shih Tzus are usually energetic and playful, so if your dog is suddenly sleeping more or has less energy, it could be a sign that something is wrong. Monitor your Shih Tzu's activity level and take note of any changes. If you notice that they're lethargic, take them to a veterinarian to determine the cause. Your Shih Tzu is usually eager to eat, but if you notice that they're suddenly not interested in their food, it could be a sign of an underlying health issue. It's essential to monitor their eating habits and make sure they're drinking enough water. Try offering different types of food or wet food to see if that sparks their appetite. If your Shih Tzu is coughing or sneezing frequently, it could be a sign of a respiratory infection. Keep an eye on your dog's behavior and take note of any other symptoms like a runny nose or watery eyes. Eye problems are a common health issue in Shih Tzus. If you notice that your dog's eyes are red, swollen, or cloudy, or if they are frequently scratching or rubbing their eyes, it's possible that they have an eye infection or allergy. If your Shih Tzu is wheezing or having difficulty breathing, it could be a sign of a serious respiratory problem. Difficulty breathing is a medical emergency. If your Shih Tzu is acting differently than usual, it could be a sign of an underlying health problem. They may seem more withdrawn or irritable. Pay attention to any changes in their behavior. If your Shih Tzu has any unusual discharge from the eyes, nose, or ears, it could be a sign of an infection. If your Shih Tzu is vomiting or has diarrhea, it could be a sign of a stomach bug or a more serious health issue. If the problem persists for more than a day, take your dog to a veterinarian. In the meantime, make sure your dog stays hydrated and offer them bland, easily digestible food like boiled chicken or rice. If you notice that your Shih Tzu is drinking more water than usual, it could be a sign of a health issue. One possible cause could be diabetes. Another cause could be kidney disease. If your Shih Tzu's coat looks dull or has bald patches, or if their skin is dry and flaky, it could be a sign of a skin condition or nutritional deficiency. While some dogs may have natural doggy breath, excessively bad breath can be a sign of dental problems or an underlying health issue. Check your Shih Tzu's teeth and gums regularly. If your Shih Tzu is having trouble walking or standing, it could be a sign of a musculoskeletal problem or neurological disorder. Our Shih Tzus may not be able to verbally communicate their discomfort or pain to us, but as their devoted guardians, it's our responsibility to be their voice. So if you notice any of these symptoms, don't delay. Make that veterinary appointment right away. Don't miss out on this engaging playlist currently being showcased dedicated to Shih Tzu care and more. Explore tips, little-known facts, and many other fascinating topics we've covered about Shih Tzu.